Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see, we're doing another YUME Twins unboxing, and my chair's about to break. Oh my goodness. A bit better. So we've got this YUME Twins for September box. I have peeked inside and it looks really, really good. In the last YUME Twins unboxing video, I did say that I wasn't going to get another one. But I completely forgot that you have to cancel the subscription, so they sent me another one by the time I realised that I needed to cancel it. So let's get into it. So again, it says konnichiwa. You know, looks the same like it did last time. It's got the same drawings on the outside. It looks like the same little sprinkles. Very, very cute. So it's got the konnichiwa on the inside like it did last time. So you get a little booklet, and I'm loving these colours. Absolutely adoring these colours. Like, these are my first. Oh my god! It's Hello Kitty. It's a Hello Kitty cloud. Can you see that? Who's that? It's another character. Oh my god, are they all characters? My goodness. My goodness. Right. So we won't look in that until we've looked at the goodies. And right in front of me I can see a plushie. Let's open it. So this is it. It's also a bag. It's called a Sumiko Gurashi plushie bag, and plushie is a very good word to describe this. So it's got the zip on his belly. Got nice little space there. That's really, really cute. Very, very kawaii. This is adorable, actually. He's adorable. So there are 4 different types you can get. Obviously, I've got this nice blue one, and it's a very nice blue, actually. Blue's my second favourite colour, and I'm very happy with it. I think I might take him to uni, so if I need to sleep, I can just put him there and be like... Yeah. That cute. But yeah, there's a good amount of space, I'd say. Like, obviously you want it to still be very plushy, but yeah, he could also be a puppet. Hello. And you can even take the straps off, so you can just kind of have him as just a plushie, really. So you can take the strap off if you want, but there we are. Let me just see how long the strap is. So this is the strap, not very long. Let's attach it back to him so we can kind of guess a bit better to see what we're working with here. Okay, so it's really short at the moment, so let's loosen it all the way we can. It's actually pretty long. So it goes down to my hip, that's as long as it'll get. This is actually super cute, and I've got my really super cute kimono that I got. It's got these cute little cats. Yeah, I'm liking it a lot. He is adorable. And next we have these. I don't know what it is. I think they're key rings. Let's open it up, shall we? Open it up. Nicely though, we don't want to break it. Ow. It might break me. It's just glue, doesn't need scissors. Lovely. Cool. So it's actually a really cute little box. Obviously it's got Rilakuma and Koala Kuma? I don't know his name. But I haven't actually watched the series on Netflix yet. I only like to watch it when I need to really chill out. But I did like what I've watched so far. Ah, cute! I got a little Rilakuma. That's how you say it, isn't it? Really, not Rilakuma. Rilakuma. He's cute. Let's get him out the bag. Oh, he is cute. I'm putting him on my DS. Look at that little guy. Oh, he's so cute. Very cute. So obviously I'm assuming you can get any 3, you could get any of these 3, that's what I'm assuming. So he's got a nice little bag of baguettes. Oh no, there are 7 different Kiyunis you could get, and I got Rilakkuma with the baguettes. Rilakkuma with the baguettes. It's very cute, very, very cute. I actually wanted a new phone charm, so this is good. This is very good. YUME twins heard my pleas. Next we have these really cute Hello Kitty travel bottles, I believe is what they're called. So this is what it looks like. It's very cute. So I don't really know what they're used for. Do you like... Oh, it's like for perfume and things. And then you go like that. How do you get the perfume in there? I'm assuming you can take this white bit off. The packaging is really cute. It's got, obviously it's see-through, and you can kind of see that there are bows and there's a rose there, and it's got Hello Kitty on there, and it's really cute, and obviously you get 2, which is really cute. So it's 30 millilitres times 2, so what it's saying is you can take these on the plane with you, which is, oh, that's a good idea, isn't it? They thought about that. Because obviously 100 millilitres is the max when you go on flight, and so obviously on flights you get a bit smelly. You can put a nice bit of perfume there, take the lid off, just go dab, 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 dab. Now you are fab. You can do that, yeah. So I'm assuming you can just obviously take a bit to get off. Probably with a knife you can get them off. And obviously if you're a kid, get a parent to do that. Parental guardian, you know. Very cute. So we've got 2 things left. And they look very cute. So also kind of on the whole travel thing. So this one to me is very travel-y. We've got a bag. We've got little perfume holders. We've got a little keyring, always cute. And now we've got a suitcase tag. I never use them, to be honest, because my suitcases are always quite colourful, so I know which one they are. But we've got this one. Let's open him up. So this is the strap. It goes through there. But once you've filled out all your information. But yeah, so it's just a cute little dog. What's this? What kind of dog is this? If you guys know, please tell me in the comments what kind of dog this is. I know it's very much like a Japanese dog. You know, like you see it in quite a lot of things. But yeah, it's got loads of like blossom around it. If you guys can translate this for me. So that's this cute little guy. Very cute. He's very cute. Why can't this be like a phone case? Come on. So obviously you up through there and then down through there and then in there, like that. And that's it. And oh, they've even done like fake threads on it. You can't see it on my camera, but you just about can. But they've done like fake threads on it, but it's just plastic. It's just like a mould. That's really cute. Super cute. And the last thing is a reversible pencil case. So on this side we've got My Melody, very cute, and let's see what's on the inside. So, no way. YUME twins. Thank you so much. I don't need to go out and buy a new pencil case. Guys don't understand. You guys don't understand. So, I'm just going to tell you now. So I start uni in 2 days, and I'm actually going to be vlogging every week. So if you guys want to see university vlogs, you know, that would be cool. I'm an art student, and I'll tell you more about it in my vlogs, but I'll be vlogging every week and hopefully upload once a week. And I'll probably do other videos along with it, but probably not, to be honest. I don't really know what I'm going to do. Probably if I feel like doing a video, I'll do a video. But, yeah. But you see, because I'm doing art, I wanted a 2-sided pencil case, so like it has 2 compartments, so I could have one for like my pens and the other side for my pencils. And that's what this is. So you either have this My Melody, So it's like that. Or you can have this My Melody. And if you can see here, there's a seam. It's got 2 compartments. YUME Twins got my back this month. Oh, I actually really like this box. I may buy another in the future. I know in the last video I was like, nah, probably won't ever get them again. But now I'm seriously thinking I might, but not just yet. I think, oh, this is so cute. This is all so cute. But yes, we got this side, so it could be like that, and it's got poppers here, so you can like pop it together so it doesn't like unfold. Or you can have this side and pop them together. They got my back. I needed a new pencil case, and I will definitely use this. So YUME Twins got my back this month. They knew. So I'm assuming this one's quite a travel vibes, because obviously last month was Totoro Picnic. And this, let's see, what does it say? Weekend getaway. So it's the weekend getaway, so it's meant to be all like a weekend getaway, and yeah. Oh, this stuff is so cute. Oh, guys, it's just so cute. Ah! Oh my goodness. So, let's review what we got. We got the Sumiko Gurashi plushie bag. Travel in style with this Sumiko Gurashi plushie bag. Super soft with enough space to carry your valuables. This bag is just what you need for your weekend getaway. The shoulder belt is adjustable and even removable, so you can transform this bag into a normal plushie when you're back at home. Very nice. KAWAII character reversible pouch. This thing. Super cute and super practical. This KAWAII character pouch comes in 8 different versions, including My Melody, the one we got here, Rilakuma, Sumiko Gurashi, and more. So there's a picture here. So there's a Hello Kitty, Doraemon. There are like 2 Rilakumas, and there's also Star Twins as well. Easily reverse this pouch to reveal a different design. Use it as a wallet, to carry your toiletries, makeup, stationery. The options are endless. Very nice. The next thing, Shiba. It's a Shiba dog. Shiba luggage tag. Spot your bag immediately with this luggage tag featuring the iconic Japanese Shiba dog. There we are. I know what dog it is. Thank you if you commented, but I do now know. These rubber luggage tags include cards to write down your information and come in 3 adorable designs. So there's this one, which I would say is the cutest. They have one that's red that says I heart something in Japanese, and then there's also a green one that says I heart Tokyo. But this one's my favourite out of the 3, so I'm very happy I got this one. The phrase is I heart Japan, and the other one says I heart... Oh, so this one means I love cherry blossom. Nice. Nice, nice. So this is I love cherry blossom. I see that. I do like cherry blossom. It's very cute. So I know what that says. If you commented, thank you, but I now know. That's that. And now for the Sanrio travel bottle set. So it looks like you get them in Hello Kitty or in My Melody. Is that My Melody? Would have called her Miffy. Miffy's not anything to do with Sanrio in all fairness, is she? But anyway, Sanrio travel bottle set. Aren't these the cutest travel bottles ever? Yes, they are the cutest ever. In your box comes a Hello Kitty or a My Melody set of 2. Use these 30ml bottles to bring shampoo, lotion, shower gel with you to make your trip even more kawaii. I think I'm going to use it for, like, perfume and things. I don't know, actually. It's quite a big hole. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to use them for yet, but I like them. And then, for our... last thing, the Rilakuma Bonjour hanger. Got my little guy here. Bonjour! This multifunctional hanger features a French version of your favourite bear, Korilakuma, or Kiroititori. That was such a bad attempt. I was trying to be all like, I know how to say this. I don't know how to say this. Kiroitori. You guys who know who I'm on about. The chick, you know, the duck, the bird. The bird, not the bear. Use this hanger as a keychain, hang it on your phone case or even on a zipper. Which one did you get? I got the baguette one. I got the baguette Rilakkuma. And that's that, guys. That is that. So I'm actually really, really impressed by this box. I definitely say it's better than last month's, for sure. Yeah, no, I'm very, very happy with this. It's very much me. And I think, yeah, it's just really good. And in the future, I may go back and buy another, just one YUME Twins box, and I'll remember to cancel the subscription after the box has been shipped. But yes, no, I'm very, very happy with all of this. This month, I would definitely recommend getting one if you're thinking about it. Yeah, I'm obsessed with what I've got. It's amazing. This plushy bag, oh my god, it's just so cute. And I've got the pence case that I was going to go out and buy, but this one's even better than the one I was going to buy because it's my Melody. And I am very, very happy with the things I've got. If you guys want me to do more kawaii unboxings, then do like this video if you guys want to see more videos that I make. And obviously I'm starting university and I'm going to be vlogging every week, so if you think you'll be interested in that, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll probably do a few videos of other things, but probably not because they never tend to do well, but this is fantastic. So thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy, you know what to do. Yeah, bye.